Tiny Reviewer. Today, instead of a hockey game, desktop basketball game. It's similar. To me, when I look at the picture, it looks like you have to press this and launch the basketball so it comes into the hoop. It might be a bit hard, but let's try it anyway. So the pack contains 3 basketballs, 1 hoop, 1 backboard. It looks like we have to kind of assemble it because I'm not sure the backboard and the hoop can fit inside this small, thin package. So a backboard, 1 launcher, and 1 plastic base. So not really any instructions. So now let's open it. Yep, I was right. We have to assemble it. Well, that's even fun, I guess. So these are the basketballs, the launcher, the hoop backboard. There you go. Ooh, there you go. Here comes the basketball. Let's put it in this place right now so they don't roll off the table. So let's first check. So let's use this picture as a guide. Let's use a big picture. So it doesn't have any stickers that we can put on. Well, I mean, I hope it does. Let's see if there's anything under here. Well, anyway, it looks like they put a sticker on. That's not fair because, well, at least this has a little picture of it. So it looks like we have to kind of put this pointy part thingy into this little hole near the backboard. Well, at the back of the backboard. There you go. And it looks like that has to go here. So it might not come out on the camera. That. And the hoop has to go, let me show you, in this little chip in the backboard right there. So let me put that thing on. There. Then let's connect the launcher. It doesn't really show how to assemble the launcher though. It looks like we have to kind of assemble it like that. I'm not sure how. That's my dad. He's the assemble master. So you have to kind of slide it this way and turn it that way. Not sure why it's like that and then that way. Launch it. Let's take a sample. I'm not sure if it's gonna come in though. Well, let's see if it gets a basket. Let's take the 2 out. Actually, there is a holder right here actually to put the basketballs in. Sorry for a little knock. My building's doing some construction work somehow. I don't know what. Stay right there. That's not what I want. Let's do it sideways. That way you guys can first see more. What is this basketball game? Whoa, I didn't want that. I didn't want that way to happen. So I did sideways again. So the best thing is to hold the base back right here near the backboard, like this, with 1 hand. And like I said, if you do too loose, it's not gonna go anywhere. But if you do too hard, I don't know how to do this, it's gonna go off the table. But good thing it did land in my table. Thank goodness. But like that, it just missed the hoop. So as you do it, there's 3 balls, so take turns. Well, if first practice by yourself, and then if you like, for example, get 3 baskets in a row, then you're ready to start playing with your family members or friends or even siblings if you have them. Ask your pet to do them too. Well, I'm not sure if your pet cat or dog will play it because I think they'll swallow this instead. Not good at all. See? I'm not sure if it went in. It went too fast. I think it hit the backboard and went inside the hoop. So close. It hit the rim. Well, I don't like that. So as you get used to it, remember, you will not always get into the hoop the first try. And don't cheat. Don't kind of like toss it and into your hand. That's cheating. But play it fair. Whoa. See what I mean? I'm not always perfect either. Woohoo! Too high, too low, just right. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Very loud indeed. Bye. It went under the couch. Better chase it.